Django Development IDE. I have done a little Django development, but it has all been in a text editor. I was curious what more advanced development tools others are using in their Django development. I am used to using Visual Studio for development and really like the IntelliSense, code completion, and file organization it provides, and would like to find something, or a combination of tools, that would provide some of this in the Django/Python environment.
I use Eclipse and a plain vanilla PDF. There isn't any specific Django functionality. The best I came up with was setting up a run profile to run the development web server. If you add the Web Tools project, WTP, you'll get syntax highlighting in your templates, but nothing that relates to the specific template language. PDF is a decent plugin, and if you are already familiar with Eclipse and use it for other projects, it is a good way to go. I recall NetBeans starting to get Python support, but I have no idea where that is right now. Lots of people rave about NetBeans 6, but in the Java world Eclipse still reigns as the king of the OS IDEs. Update, Eclipse is also fantastic for Django. Install it, use this method to get the icon into Ubuntu's menu. Start Eclipse and in file is greater than new is greater than project, select PDEV and PDEV Django project. You may have to set up your Python interpreter etc., but that you'll be able to figure out on your own. Once the Django project is created, you can right-click on the project and the menu will have a Django option, which allows various things like creating a Django app or running migrations etc. Eclipse is good because it consumes far lesser memory than PyCharm and supports refactoring and autocomplete reasonably well.
There is PyCharm from JetBrains which supports Django and Google Apps. It looks promising. Note, you need to buy a license for the professional version if you want Django support. The community version don't support Django. I use Vim. This URL. Update. Sublime Text 2 is pretty awesome. It supports a lot of Vim commands if you want them. Vintage mode. It has a nice package manager, this URL. I use these packages so far. Genero. Set Django syntax. CoffeeScript. Sublime linter. Theme, Soda. Sidebar enhancements. I still love Vim, but did I mention that Sublime Text plugins are written in Python?
I use Komodo Edit. Check out the Open Komodo Edit.
What is